Director of SCTSD Nagpur, to enlighten us about SCSD Nagpur.
Thank you, Shreya, for starting the event. On behalf of Symbiosis Nagpur family, I welcome each and everyone present here. Special thanks to the expert master trainers who are here. You have taken out your time, valuable time, and are here for gracing this particular occasion. So it is really important for any person in his life that he has some or the other skill which he will be able to explore, refine, and get benefited out of it throughout his career. So this is one of the important session in photography and filmmaking what we are launching today. Apart from this, Symbiosis Center for Skill Development, a newly established constituent of Symbiosis Nagpur, Symbiosis family as a whole from India. So Nagpur we have 5 colleges, traditional colleges, and the sixth constituent is Symbiosis Center for Skill Development. Symbiosis Center for Skill Development offers short-term specific skill courses for the benefit of the society. Here I don't mean to say that only the students from Symbiosis Nagpur will be able to get benefit out of it, but even apart students from the society can come, be a part of our programs, equip their skills, and then get benefit out of it. The reason for having these short-term programs is that almost the students who from Symbiosis, you are already studying some or the other thing. But out of, say for example, you are studying a BBA course or a law course or an architecture course. But apart you have an interest into photography. Now where to learn, how to learn? So this becomes a question. So that is the reason we have kept it as short-term and even limited for a certain number of hours on each day. Or maybe it can be a weekend course whereby your routine studies doesn't get affected. So this is one point. The other point, those people who are from the society, जो आप कहीं ना कहीं किसी न किसी काम में involved हैं, आप किसी IT कंपनी में हैं, आप किसी शॉप में काम करते हैं, आप किसी ऑफिस में जाते हैं और आपको वहाँ समय नहीं मिलता. So this is specifically for the photography course we have kept it as a weekend course. So for other courses, if I talk about other courses we do have into beauty and grooming, we have course into mobile and laptop repairing, right? आप मोबाइल आज हर किसी के पास है, लैपटॉप हर किसी के पास है, तो खराब हो गया तो कहाँ जाएंगे? Not necessarily Nagpur people will know that we always, हम लोग सब कहाँ दौड़ के जाते हैं? मोबाइल लैपटॉप खराब हुआ तो सीतामढ़ी. So our vision is that you should not be required to go to that long place. You should have a local community. Certain shops should be there who should be able to provide you those services. So mobile laptop repair, then photography, as I've already told you. We have a short-term certificate course which gives you an employability. Job assistance के साथ में है, that is into capital market. There are ample opportunity. बहुत सारे jobs हैं market में into BFSI domain. Banking, finance sector, there is huge number of vacancies are there. Only they need the skilled manpower. So that was the another reason. Do we have law students here? Okay, good. So we are able to probably see that we have 2 specified courses: drafting, reading, and conveyancing. Right? Tomorrow you all would be lawyers. You will be practicing into high courts and maybe supreme courts as well. Right? So you will be needing people to support you. What is drafting? How to draft? What is reading? आपको documentation support कैसे मिलना चाहिए? So we want that manpower to be ready. Right? All of you are currently freshers, so we can provide you specific training with respect to draftings. Paralegal services, हम लोग सब सेतु में जाते हैं. Do you know what is सेतु? I think our students would not be knowing it for certain, but other community, they are required to go to setu. The district court prepare some affidavits, some income certificates, or maybe what do you call it, succession certificates, and so on. So ये सब कौन करता है? When we go to the district court, we see that there are people who provide services for paralegal services. So these are those kind of trainings which will equip you, skill you for that specific domain जहाँ से आपको earnings हो सकती है, right? So not only earnings, it will mainly skill you. So this is all about Symbiosis Center for Skill Development. In the coming time, we would be more interested to have direct ties with industries, whereby we offer the graduation courses, जहाँ 3 महीने आप बच्चा हमारे यहाँ पढ़ेगा और 3 महीने वो इंडस्ट्री में जाके प्रैक्टिकली जॉब करेगा. Again, second semester में he'll learn for 3 months. He'll go for 3 months to the industry. This is how we will complete his 3 years of graduation cycle. So this is our planning in the years to come. So at present we offer short-term certificate programs into these 6 domains. With this, the introduction for SCSD is over. I request Shreya to please take over.
Thank you, sir. We got your point that SCSD offers short-term courses and equips us with hands-on skills, making you ready to conquer the skill of your choice. Today is a very special day as we are launching the very first batch for the certificate program in photography and filmmaking. Through this launch event, you will come to know about the duration of the course structure, learning outcomes and other details. It's time we introduced our master trainers and officially welcome them. Starting off with Miss Sangeeta Mahajan. Miss Sangeeta Mahajan is an activist photographer who has proved camera can be used as a double-edged sword to fight injustices. Coming from humble slum dwellings, she has reaped success after going through a series of hardships and with her unique perspective to look at the world. Her photographs have been published in multiple dailies such as Telegraph and Times of India and many more. She has also bagged a good deal of awards including the Fuji International Award. Words cannot sum up her lifetime's work, but we must welcome her. I request Paliwal sir to welcome Miss Sangeeta Mahajan with a bouquet of flowers. Ma'am, please.
Sangeeta Mahajan, madam, she is not here. She is engaged with some other event. She will join us in some time. So meantime, you can go to the second.
Then we have Miss Alexandra Ramos, a highly creative fine art photographer with 16 years of experience in photography. She has lived in India since the age of 7.5 years. She is also the co-founder of Alexandra Ramos Studio and Academy of Photography in Nagpur, working as a mentor and a photographer. She has also worked as a stage actress before working as a photographer in Brazil, her country of birth. She specializes in portraits, portfolios, corporate model shoots and fashion. She has participated in several photography contests and exhibitions. She also runs a YouTube channel named Alexandra Nirvan. I can go on and on about her work, but let us see her work through a video. Alexandra Ramos with a floral bouquet.
I request the audience to please put your hands together.
Please put your hands together for our next expert, Dr. Mangesh Rao. Dr.
No, Acha, sorry. Would you please, no, sorry.
Dr. Mangesh Rao is the first commercial photographer in India to be awarded with PhD in photography. Armed with BFA and MFA degree from Nagpur University, he is well known in the field of fine art technical higher education. He was an expert faculty in the Institute of Sir J.J. Institute of Applied Arts, Mumbai and Government College of Art and Design, Nagpur. He frequently gets invited to speak at many seminars and workshops. His speciality is that he has a professional skills in photography. With the same professional skills, he can teach his students. This is a very rare combination, teaching and professional work. This dual combination skill brightens his personality. During his free time, he also likes to do research-based experiment with conceptual photography and explores his thoughts and ideas. Sir, I request you to step forward for a floral welcome.
Please.
Then we have with us Mr. K. Ganesh. We have a video with us which will tell us all about him.
गणेश मनोहर कटकोचवार उर्फ के गणेश एक गुरु, शिक्षक, एक तकनीकी विशेषज्ञ, कलात्मक दृष्टि से फोटोग्राफी करने वाला व्यक्तित्व तथा एक अद्भुत फोटोशॉप एडिटर। ऐसा कम ही देखने मिलता है कि एक ही व्यक्ति जिसके पास कलात्मक दृष्टि भी हो और टेक्नोलॉजिकल नॉलेज भी। गणेश जी एक सैनिक परिवार से हैं। पिता श्री मनोहर कटकोचवार इंडियन आर्मी में सूबेदार थे। गणेश जी का जन्म मेरठ में हुआ। मैट्रिक तक की शिक्षा केंद्रीय विद्यालय इलाहाबाद में हुई। इसके बाद महाराष्ट्र तेलंगाना सीमा क्षेत्र में एक छोटा सा गांव है पाटनपुरी, जहां उन दिनों बस स्टॉप भी नहीं था, वहां रहने लगे। उसके बाद 1997 में नजदीकी शहर पांड्रकौड़ा में कंप्यूटर एजुकेशन लिया। उनकी ग्रास्पिंग पावर और इंटरेस्ट को देखते हुए उन्हें उसी कंप्यूटर एजुकेशन सेंटर में कंप्यूटर फैकल्टी का जॉब मिला। इसी दौरान डिजिटल फोटोग्राफी में उनका इंटरेस्ट बढ़ने लगा। बुक्स और इंटरनेट के जरिए उन्होंने एडोब फोटोशॉप 5th वर्जन से सीखना शुरू किया। इससे उनका आत्मविश्वास बढ़ा और पाटनपुरी गांव में ही वर्ष 2002 में गणेश फोटोशॉप की शुरुआत हुई। ये सब ठीक चल रहा था, लेकिन गणेश जी शांत बैठने वालों में से नहीं थे। वे और पढ़ना चाहते थे। फोटोग्राफी के क्षेत्र में नई उपलब्धियों से खुद को अवगत कराना चाहते थे। इसीलिए वे मुंबई पहुंचे। वहां जाते ही करिश्मा एल्बम सॉफ्टवेयर कंपनी में उन्हें जॉब मिल गया। वर्ष 2013 में वे नागपुर आए और यहाँ सिर्फ एक कंप्यूटर से गणेश एल्बम्स एंड फोटो बुक इस नाम से काम शुरू किया। जल्द ही ये नाम फोटोग्राफी इंडस्ट्री में एक ब्रांड बन गया। सोशल मीडिया, फेसबुक पर उनके फॉलोअर्स बढ़ने लगे। लोग उनसे सीखना चाहते थे और गणेश जी को भी लगता था कि हमारे सामाजिक दायित्वों को निभाना चाहिए। इसके बाद गणेश एल्बम्स एकेडमी ऑफ फोटोग्राफी प्राइवेट लिमिटेड ये कंपनी 2015 में स्थापित की, जिसमें उनके साथ संचालक के रूप में मिसेस पूजा कटकोचवार भी थी। लोगों का आग्रह बढ़ने से उन्होंने पूरे भारत में अपने वर्कशॉप्स का आयोजन किया। प्रत्येक वर्कशॉप में 100 से 150 विद्यार्थी सहभागी होते थे। आज तक ऐसे 272 वर्कशॉप सफलतापूर्वक लिए गए हैं। इस एकेडमी में हर महीने लगभग 30 से 35 विद्यार्थी पढ़ने आते हैं। विभिन्न स्कॉलरशिप भी एकेडमी द्वारा दी जाती है। यहाँ सिर्फ फोटोशॉप ही नहीं, बल्कि व्यक्तित्व विकास तथा बिजनेस डेवलपमेंट ट्रेनिंग भी दिया जाता है।
With a big round of applause, let's welcome Mr. K. Ganesh to the floor. Then we have with us Mr. Pawan Piprode. After dropping out from graduation in BCom at the crossroads of his life, he discovered a passion for editing. Not hailing from a film family, yet he was well acquainted with different aspects of filmmaking. But being a good learner and the zeal to learn more and more gave him ample freedom to hone his skills and develop a stamp for creativity. Slowly but surely, he developed a definitive perspective towards the process of filmmaking. Pawan sir made a conscious effort to be part of cinema that is high on quality and posed a great challenge to his creative instincts. His last edited short film, The Cradle, won the multiple awards in international circuit. His decisions to take chances with numerous low-budget films were creatively satisfying, paid off. The journey continues as there is never really a destination. Now let us see some of his work through a video. Photography Club.
So please. So nice to see you. Thank you so much, sir.
Now, since we know about our master trainers, let's see what are we going to learn through this course of 8 full days. I request the director to brief us about the curriculum and the program outcomes.
Okay. Hello audience, good afternoon. So was the introductory part a good, has given you good vibes? Yes or no? Yes. Thank you so much. So before we proceed forward, so all of you are now aware that we are here basically for promotion and the launch of our photography and filmmaking event. So now the most important question which will come to your mind is that what is that I am going to learn here? Is that anything new? So we have already introduced you the panel, the experts who will be teaching you what is photography. Before meeting the panel, I used to say I was of the opinion, of the same opinion probably, कि photography क्या है? It is like click कर दिया and photo is done, right? So after interacting with them, many things came to my knowledge, and I understood. Okay, nee, I know hardly 30 or 40% of the photography. It is not like that I know everything. There are many things to be learned. So let us see what is there for us in the box. Next, please. Okay, Ms. Sangeeta would be taking all these technical parts. That is the very first day on 8th of January. Ms. Sangeeta would be taking the technology, the film photography, what is digital photography. More of the first day, as usual in any of the classes, it is more of a theory part. Yes, it will certainly have a practical, but more of a theory part. It will give you a basic understanding of what is film photography, what is digital, different types of camera, their usage, what is lens, what are basic shots, how they are to be taken, what is exposure, shutter speed, aperture, what is ISO, and so many things. So this is the very first day. So it will have a mix of theory and practicals, right? 70%, 80% of the throughout course would be a practical course, but yes, the very first day it will be 50-50 kind of thing. Next, please. Ms. Alexandra Ramos, when we'll request her to introduce, so she will herself tell what are the specialties. All the panelists will rather tell what are the specialties on that specific day, what they'll be teaching. Overall, our thought process is that we would request Ms. Alexandra to more guide our students on what is lighting, what is its use. You must have seen that there are shadows coming up, right? Whenever we take a photograph, so there is a shadow. यहाँ से light आ रहा है, there is somewhere a shadow behind me. So how to eliminate that? How artificial lighting will help. Natural lighting across the sectors of photography. So for different type of products, for different type of say human being or a material, so there is a different technique which has to be involved. So what is that techniques? So she will be able to help you out. What is indoor photography? Then basic shots, angles, compositions. So this will be a part. This day will be more of practical, around 70% plus. It will be a practical part. Now let's see the third day, and see these are the weekend courses. Saturdays and Sundays only. It will involve mostly your full day. You will be exhausted because we want you to learn. So I would personally prefer that at the end of the day you all should feel exhausted. पूरी थकान होनी चाहिए शाम तक की yes, and that थकान should be nothing but a satisfaction की yes, this is what I have learned for the full day by investing my whole day. Next is Dr. Mangesh Raut. Very few you will find in the photography field a doctorate person. He is a very experienced person present here. He will certainly guide you, mentor you for fashion photography, people photography, and product photography. So he is an expert into that. Already he has a lot much of client base. So thank you, sir, for taking out your time and being here. So we are honored you being here. Next, please. So he'll be teaching us on 15th of January. Then on 16th and 22nd, photography आपने सीख ली. Now what about videos? How to make it? What are the different angles? So how to handle the camera when you make a video? So script writing and direction, this will be the first part what Mr. Pawan would be focusing on. Then camera techniques, how movements would happen, and cinematic lighting, the setups and the mood lights. So I would request Mr. Pawan that when his chance comes, please enlighten our students on what is mood lights and how they can learn during that particular day. Next please. Okay, and lastly Mr. K. Ganesh, the finishing part would be done by the expert, Photoshop expert, Adobe Illustrator expert, Mr. K. Ganesh. So he already has an academy. In his video we were able to see that. So but we take a photo, and abhi aapke camera mobiles mein you have a modes, different kind of modes, portrait modes, and so now if you are taking a photo, a simple photograph, how to modify that, right? So everything, the details of that, how will you change the background and other things will be taught by Mr. K. Ganesh. So please put your hands together for all the panelists. Thank you so much. Thank you. Please next, please. Next slide, please. Okay. So now, if anywhere after the event you feel like you are interested for this particular program, so details are here on the screen. Before we move towards the end, I would request the panelists one by one to please enlighten us that what will be the special feature during your training to our students.
Good afternoon, everyone. I'm very happy to be here. My name is Alessandra. You saw in the video, in the introduction. I am a Brazilian. I'm living in Nagpur since almost 2 months, and I live in India since 7 years. 10 years ago, what brought me to India? It was photography. So photography is my life. I say that it's not part of my life, but is my life, because everything I do, if I see anything, I will see how I will take picture of that thing. So I took photography very seriously because I was always in love with photography. So I decided to study and go deep in the studies of photography. So I feel very glad to teach everything what I learn and everything what I know about photography. So in this course I will be teaching you about lighting, because what is photography? Photography is nothing but writing with light. If we don't have light, we don't have photography. So light is everything. I will talk about natural light. So I will teach you how to take the photos with natural light in a good way, in a right way. And it's not only lighting, but also we will talk about some elements about photography. Other thing is, very important thing is composition. We will learn how to compose our photos in a proper way. Many people, like Dr. Sir was saying in the beginning, most of the people think that is only press the button and you have a photo. It's not like this. Photo is thinking. We have to think. If you heard about a photographer called Henri Cartier-Bresson, a French photographer, very famous documentary photographer, he used to say that photography is taking the photo with your brain, your eyes, and your heart. So these three things should go in your frame. So it's not only pressing the button. You have to think what you will do, how you will compose, how you will make that photo stand out among other photos. So you have to put your brain, you have to look properly, and you also have to put your feelings. Because sometimes we learn everything about composition, but we have a feeling, no, this way I will do different. So this is how we do. We put this small thing from our hearts that I call this art. When we have our personal touch, we call art. So I'm very glad that I can teach you something, and I am sure that you will like, you enjoy, and from this course you will love more photography than you already do. Thank you very much.
I would request now to Mr. K. Ganesh to please speak our audience.
Thank you so much. Thank you Symbiosis SCSD to invite me. Okay. In short, जो कोर्स डिज़ाइन किया गया है मैं उसके बारे में आपको एक शॉर्ट में बताऊंगा. सबसे पहले संगीता मैम आपको जो पढ़ाने वाली है फोटोग्राफी में, वो आपको टेक्निकल नॉलेज देने वाली है, राइट. टेक्निकली आप कैमरा हाथ में लोगे, उसको टेक्निकली समझोगे. इन शॉर्ट टेक्निकल सेंस आप वो फर्स्ट क्लास में आपका डेवलप होगा, राइट. सेकेंड क्लास इनका मैम का रहेगा, रेमो मैम का. ये आपको आर्टिस्टिक सेंस देने वाली है, राइट. कैमरा को यूज कैसे करना है, अपने अंदर अंतर मन से हमको आर्ट कैसे क्रिएट करना है, एक बिहाइंड द कैमरा आर्टिस्ट क्या सोचता है और क्या शूट करता है, वो आपको मैम बताने वाली है उस पर्टिकुलर उनके कंपोजिशन और ये सारी चीजें, ठीक है. देन मेरा क्लास रहेगा, तब आपको प्रोडक्ट फोटोग्राफी और फैशन फोटोग्राफी का एस्थेटिक सेंस एंड कमर्शियल फोटोग्राफी क्या होती है वो आपको उसमें पढ़ाई जाएगी, राइट. उसके बाद इन शॉर्ट सर जो जितना भी हम फोटोग्राफी करेंगे, आउटडोर, इंडोर, कमर्शियल, ये सारा फोटोग्राफी का फोटो एनहांसमेंट जो है, एडिटिंग या प्री पोस्टिंग बोलते हैं, वो सारा फिनिश जो है पोस्ट प्रोसेस में होगा फोटोशॉप में, जो आपको के गणेश सर पढ़ाने वाले हैं. एंड देन इसी कैमरे से इसी सारी टेक्निक से, मतलब आपका टेक्निकल सेंस, आपका आर्टिस्टिक सेंस, आपका एस्थेटिक सेंस, आपका कमर्शियल नॉलेज, ये सारा कुछ जब सिनेमैटिक्स में आएगा, उस सिनेमैटिक्स को पूरी तरीके से शॉर्ट फिल्म, वीडियो, एडवर्टाइजमेंट इसमें बनाने का, एडिटिंग का काम आपको ये सर करेंगे. ऐसा ये बहुत ही सुंदर ऐसा ये प्रोग्राम डिजाइन किया गया है, राइट. और एक सवाल पूछना चाहूँगा कि पेंटिंग तो सभी करते होंगे, मैं भी यहाँ से आते हुए देखा बहुत सारी पेंटिंग्स थी, हाँ. तो व्हाट इज पेंटिंग? मैं फाइन आर्ट से जुड़ा हूँ, इसलिए मुझे वो सवाल पूछना, एक शॉर्ट में बता सकते व्हाट इज पेंटिंग, एकदम सरल सा जवाब. बचपन से करते आ रहे हैं, हम बचपन से करते आ रहे हैं. सिंपल आंसर, ड्राइंग विद कलर. सिंपल ड्राइंग विद कलर, बहुत ज्यादा डेफिनेशन में नहीं जाएंगे हम, राइट.
I'm from law, but painting, expressing your thoughts or expressing your feelings into a page. To imagine, if you are imagining you are painting, you are drawing something and you are expressing, you are showing the world in the paper.
जी, right. In short, drawing with color, is that painting? And what is photography? Drawing with light is called photography. Simple. वो चाहे इंडोर में रहे, चाहे आउटडोर में रहे, right?
Good afternoon. अलग अलग फील्ड से स्पेशलाइजेशन किए हैं। तो वैसे भी मेरा भी एक डायरेक्टर ऑफ फोटोग्राफी, सिनेमाटोग्राफी एंड वीडियो एडिटिंग, फिल्म एडिटर एज इन मैंने काफ़ी सारे फिल्म्स किए हैं और काफ़ी सारे DOPs के भी काम किए हैं बॉलीवुड में, हॉलीवुड में और टॉलीवुड से रिलेटेड भी। और जैसे कि अभी सभी लोग यहाँ पे कुछ ना कुछ पढ़ा रहे हैं, तो वैसे भी एक मेरा पार्ट है सिनेमाटोग्राफी का, तो मैं आपको यहाँ पे टीच करूँगा और जो भी मेरे पास जो भी स्किल्स है, नॉलेज है, वो सभी आपसे शेयर करूँगा और इससे आपको काफ़ी मदद होगी, काफ़ी हेल्प होगी। आप मोबाइल में अच्छा शूट कर पाओगे या फिर कहीं पर भी आप निराश नहीं होगे कि मुझे नहीं आता ऐसा बोल। तो बेस्ट आपको नॉलेज दूंगा और ये कोर्स काफ़ी अच्छा लगा मुझे भी डिज़ाइन किया, जो भी यहाँ पे है प्रोजेक्ट्स में जो भी डिटेल्स है, तो काफ़ी अच्छा डिज़ाइन किया गया है। आप ज्वाइन कर सकते हैं, बहुत अच्छा कोर्स है। बस ये कहना चाहूँगा। थैंक यू सो मच।
सबसे पहले आप सभी का बहुत बहुत स्वागत है। आज इस इतने खूबसूरत मंच पे हमें बैठने का भी मौका मिला और जो पूरी सिम्बोसिस की टीम है इतना खूबसूरत तरह से आप होस्ट भी कर रहे हैं और इतना खूबसूरत प्रेजेंटेशन आपने सबने बनाया, उसके लिए बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। फोटोग्राफी के बाद आता है फोटो एडिटिंग, मतलब पोस्ट प्रोसेसिंग। और अगर आपका फोटोग्राफी का हिस्सा 80% है तो उसमें कुल मिलाकर 20% फोटो एडिटिंग भी है। पर ये 20% इतना डेंजर है कि आपके 80% को खराब कर सकता है। मतलब अगर आपका अच्छा खींचा हुआ फोटो भी अगर प्रॉपर तरीके से एडिट नहीं हुआ तो वो आपकी की गई 80% मेहनत को भी बेकार कर सकते हैं। तो सबसे पहली बात तो ये जो कोर्स डिज़ाइन किया है, सबसे खास बात इसमें ऐसी है कि इसमें सभी लोग एकेडमी के डायरेक्टर्स हैं, फैकल्टीज हैं, मेंटर्स हैं, अलग अलग डायरेक्टर। तो एक ही जगह पे इतने फैकल्टीज को आना और अलग अलग सब्जेक्ट्स के जो एक्सपर्ट्स हैं वो अपने एक्सपर्ट्स नॉलेज को आपके साथ शेयर करना, ये अपने आप में गौरव की बात है, सबसे पहली खास बात। और एक बार यहाँ पर मैं ये भी पूछना चाहता हूँ कि ऐसे कितने लोग हैं जो सच में फोटोग्राफी से इंटरेस्टेड हैं और यहाँ पर खुद होके चल के बैठे हैं, या फिर जयप्रकाश सर ने जबरदस्ती बिठा दिया गया है। ऐसा कितने लोग हैं जो सच में फोटोग्राफी से संबंधित है और इंटरेस्टेड है? रेज योर हैंड्स प्लीज। ठीक है, बाकी ठीक है, बाकी सोच रहे हैं। तो सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट चीज़ है, फोटोग्राफी सभी लोग करते हैं, सभी के पास स्मार्ट मोबाइल्स हैं और सभी लोग इंस्टाग्राम, फेसबुक सभी लोग यूज़ कर रहे हैं। और इंस्टाग्राम पे भी कोई भी फोटो अगर नेचुरल खींचते हैं तो डायरेक्टली अपलोड नहीं करते, उसमें भी थोड़ा बहुत फिल्टर्स वगैरह ऐड करते हैं। तो हम प्रोफेशनल तरीके से हम लोग सीखेंगे कि जो भी प्रोफेशनल फोटो शूट किया गया उसमें किस तरीके से हम उसको टॉपिंग कर सकें। फोटो को पूरी तरह से मैनिपुलेट करना ही फोटोशॉप नहीं है, खींचे गए फोटो को और भी खूबसूरत बनाना ही फोटोशॉप है। थैंक यू सो मच फॉर टुडे।
Thank you so much to all our master trainers for addressing the audience. I would now request you all and Palwa sir to come forward and cut the ribbon and declare the symbolic launch of this new program, and then we'll give our audience a chance to ask their queries if any.
Questions, any queries, if you have, we will be happy to address it regarding the program or any specific technique or anything like that, which you can address in a small time frame. No? set? Acha, you have a question.
My name is Arun Mane. My question is to Mr. Kagan.
Yes, sir.
Sir, in older times there were the film cameras where we couldn't do post processing. So why this concept has come in now with the digital cameras? Earlier people used to just click and उसमें भी मतलब अच्छे फोटोज तब भी आते थे.
फोटो तब भी अच्छे आते थे और अब भी अच्छे आते हैं. फोटो तब भी पोस्ट प्रोसेस होता था जब नेगेटिव से कन्वर्शन होकर पॉजिटिव के लिए आते थे. जब प्रिंटर्स रहते थे ना, वहाँ पर इन्हांसमेंट्स होता था और वो एक लास्ट प्रिंटर ही इन्हांस करता था उस इमेजेस को और वो फाइनल आउटपुट होता था. अभी क्या हो गया कि डिजिटल नेगेटिव्स आ गए, दैट कॉल्ड रॉ इमेजेस. तो उसके लिए जो सॉफ्टवेयर लैब में यूज़ होते थे अब हम लोग अपने डेस्कटॉप पे यूज़ कर सकते हैं.
Anyone from SSPAD or law? None? Chalo, great. Thank you so much. If you have any queries, we are available here in the campus itself. हमारे numbers screen पे हैं, so you can anytime call us. We'll be happy to answer your queries. Thank you so much.
Thank you for joining us. Please register yourself on our website www.scst.edu.in for various skill development courses including photography and film making course.